to learn how to do. Well, follow along with me, CLB, and I'll show you how to get started on this adorable snowman. Here are some of the materials that you will need. You will need a hoop to hold your cross stitch material in place. You will need some thread. Now this is quite an array of thread, but I'll show you an easier way to organize it here in just a minute. And you will need some material. Now this is called Aida cloth. You can purchase it at a craft store. There are different sizes for the Aida cloth, and that
Here
will
I'm
help
going
you
to
with
count over. I had looked at my pattern, I counted from the middle over, and I saw that I needed to move over 13. So look here, I found the middle and I counted over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I know that one row down, I needed to still do a red square, so it was 13. So from the middle, I'm going to go over 13 and down one row. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and we're gonna start right here. And if you're off just a little bit, that's fine, as long as you're off not a whole lot. So I start from underneath. I put my needle through that bottom left-hand square. I pull it up, then I make a diagonal to the top right corner. And then I am going to pull my thread through. That's not what I was supposed to do. Here we go. Let's try again. So I can see where I was working. And then you see that I'm going to just hook it through that little loop right there. And I pull it snug. I know from looking at my pattern that I have 2 red squares, so I'm going to go ahead and do another one. Diagonal. Now I'm going to go back to the left. I start at the bottom right, and then I just reverse my stitching. Just like that. Now, looking at my pattern, here are my red squares. I see that I need to go one over, and I'll complete 2 complete squares there. So I'll go back here. There we go. Sometimes it is a little tricky to find that. Now you'll notice that I'm doing this with my left hand. So this is a craft for left-handed or right-handed people. And I'm just going to go back across. Just like that. Now I have my first 4 stitches completed of my snowman. So I'm going to go through the back, and this is when I will make a little knot. So I just clip a little piece of thread, and then I just loop it through. Some people do that a little bit differently. That's just the way that I do it. And just clip it. And there are your first